back again to Top2Tip. Today we are telling about vlookup. Just let's see how to do vlookup. Vlookup we are using to fill the document based on the data. Here we are going to fill these contents based on this data. So I already have the file with the data here. See, here there are all not available. This we make another files physically. Now we need to match these data based on to this data. So we'll go to the first file where we need to put the data. Before that we have to take care about something. Once we doing vlookup, the all columns format should be same. Like better you put all the cells format in general. You can do that by right clicking the columns and format cell, and you can make general. Okay, so for matching these things I am going to add one more column here, and I will match here first, then I will put to here, because otherwise when I am dragging this, already some cells have the content already, it will replace. That's why we are doing here, then we will drag to here. I will show it that. So first we will give a name to this cell. I am giving AA. Okay, and the content what we need to match is in another file. So first we will bring that one to the previous file. For that, which columns we need, that only we are going to copy. So these two columns only we need. So I copy that one and go to the main file. I put as another sheet. I just put it that here. Okay, now we don't want this file. We close it. No need to save. Okay, so in the main file, go to the first sheet. Click the first cell. Just click the formula insert function area. Just click that one. We can choose vlookup here. Sometimes you will not see vlookup here. If we are not seeing vlookup here, just change to all, then check vlookup here. So we'll just click OK by selecting vlookup. Then in lookup value means on the basis of which value you are going to match. So in our case we are going to select this one. According to these values we need to match the data here. So just click that one, just press tab, table array. It means from where you want to look the data. That one we pasted here in the sheet 2. So go to sheet 2, select all that one. Here one thing you have to take care, based on which value you are going to search, that should be the first columns. So first column should be this one, and selecting like this. Then press F4, it will autofill the formula here. Then we need to go to tab. Here what we need to write, based on the value what we give here, which row you need to, which rows data you need to paste here. It means in our case, based on this value we need to paste this data. So this is the column number 2, 1, 2. So we will put here 2. Range lookup you can put 0. Then press OK. This one, first one came not available because this value is not available here. So we can drag down any of the value we get. Just drop it down. If you set big one, you can do one thing, just double click here. It will auto drag until the last where we have this data. Okay, so let's check. See it's taken already this value, because this value is appearing here, that's why it's taken. We can double check that one by, I find this number here, see there is a data here, just double check this, the same data is came there, that's the same data came here. So now what we will do, we can just sort all the data what we get. For that, just select all, go to data, sort it by the new name what we given, double A, change here to cell value, then click again. So here all NA, but we get the value already here. Up to where we get the value, up to here we get the value. So the remaining we are going to delete, and this one we will select the content all, just drag and drop here, press OK, content was changed. Now we don't need this column, we will delete that one. So we get the proper data against to this one here. So I hope everyone clear about this. If anyone have any doubt, don't hesitate to contact me either in comments or you can send mail. Thanks all, thank you very much, keep watching, do support please.
Please like and share our channel and do subscribe.